So again, it's me, Miss Lim, and we are going to talk about how subsystems interact. So if you would recall, we have 4 subsystems. First of which is your biosphere. So when we talk about biosphere, we are talking about your life, like this. It's a bird, okay? It's not a coconut, it's a bird. It's my Eduardo. Now, on the other hand, we would also have your second subsystem, which is your geosphere. So we're talking about Earth, any sort of land mass in this case. The third one would have to be your hydrosphere. So we're talking about bodies of water, molecules of water to be exact. And finally, we would also have your atmosphere. So your atmosphere is actually about the gases and the layers of gas that surround our Earth. But for now, we are actually going to talk about how they interact. So when we talk about the interactions, let's have our water cycle right here. So when we talk about the water cycle, let's focus first on the supposed first step, evaporation. So what happens in evaporation? The hydrosphere, the water, rises up towards the atmosphere. So from then on, we already see how the two subsystems would tend to interact. In the process of condensation, we can actually see how the water molecules would start to condense into clouds, for example. So still there is an interaction between your hydrosphere and your atmosphere. In precipitation, as it falls into the ground, the hydrosphere coming from the atmosphere in the form of your clouds and in your sky would fall down onto the earth, which is your geosphere. So from then on, there are already 3 interacting subsystems, and of course, it can also fall onto your organisms, your living organisms. So plants can take in the water, and you even expel it out in the form of transpiration. So there we go. That's a short sample as to how the different subsystems would tend to interact in a specific natural phenomenon. So hopefully after this, you'll start doing the worksheet, your phenomenal Earth phenomenons worksheet. So I'll see you later.